How to remove a spark plug of Jaguar XF. So I have a 6-cylinder. So first, remove the battery negative. Remove the air filter hose. And wiper blade, wiper arm. This wiper arm here. Wiper arm 2, and this plastic cover, and the bracket, the steel bracket from here. This is the one, steel bracket. Then how many bolts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's here 5, and here 6, and one more here from throttle body. Here 1, and inside 1. Inside behind of this, the intake manifold, there is 1. So return is a reverse order. So this is how to remove the spark plug. And also the connector, carefully to remove the clip. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay. Then when you return, just listen the click of the connector. So this is how to remove the spark plug of Jaguar XF.